Welcome to kitchenfact.com. We provide kitchen appliance reviews, tips and tricks, recipes and nutrition facts from experts. Subscribe our YouTube channel and stay with us. Hello viewers, today I have picked the issue of cheap blender for smoothies. After starting my presentation, you will able to choose one blender out of 4. We have spent around 7+ days on researching some quality blenders that are affordable and equally good at service. Some underlying elements like the power, most safe materials, blades and other things are counted while finalizing these 4 blenders for smoothies. So when you will know them, also a get clear idea like what should you look for a mixer that can take a heavy load and make some delicious smoothies? Let's start. Number 1. Hamilton Beach 58148A Power Elite Multifunction Blender. Hamilton is always recognized for high-quality, affordable blenders. That is why we selected the Hamilton Beach 58148A Power Elite Multifunction blender that offers excellent versatility at a reasonable price. The blender has 700 watts of the motor with a 40-watt dishwasher-safe glass jar, while it has the web action system that pulls the mixer down into blades to all the ingredients could blend well. The most attractive parts of the blenders are its pre-programmed buttons. The mixer has an option for making milkshake, ice cream, chop, grind, blend and many more. The milkshake button works for self-cleaning as well. The blender has a plastic lid cover that has an additional pouring cup for natural liquid pouring. It's even good at making the dip, salsa or any sauce. Important features. The preset program includes chopping, blending, crushing, ice, drinks, total 12 different functions. Dishwasher safe and BP-free glass jar. It has a pour cup for easy pouring. Comes with affordable price, offers 3 years of warranty. Number 2. Oyster BLS TPBWBL My Blend 250-watt blender with travel sports bottle. If you want a light travel-friendly blender, then this Oyster BLS TPBWBL is a great option because it includes a travel sports bottle. The entire mixer is divided on 2 units, the bottom and the blade. You will definitely like the blender just by looking at it. However, the blender comes with 250 watts motor that can reach more than 400 watts if needed. It's good for blending a smoothie, making puree and juice. The blender is unusually high at crushing ice, fruits, seeds, nuts, etc. So, all the smoothie it creates taste amazing. You can make baby food in it as well. But remember, it can't handle hot stuff. The warm is fine. Important features. Crush nuts, seeds and ice pretty well. Very light and easy to carry the whole unit outside. Sturdy construction and beautiful color range. Stop working if the motor is overheated. Made of BPA-free plastic. Number 3. Magic Bullet Blender Small Silver 11-piece set. The Magic Bullet is one of the most heard names in blender brand. Thanks to telemarketing, shopping, broadcasting, the brand are popular among all type of people. This Magic Bullet blender small comes with 100 different pieces of cups, covers including the motor base. You can do anything literally with this blender. The blender is good at making a protein shake, milkshake, mixed fruit smoothies and so on. It's good at grinding dry spices too. It has 1 container with handle, 2 different sizes of blending cups, extractor blade, layers and the motor base. It has an individual cover for easy sip or travel. The magic bullet is ideal for carrying outside the indoor drink. All the cups and covers are BPA-free and good at go in the dishwasher. You can use the blender for daily meal preparation. It's best for any small family or making single-serve multiple smoothies or juice for one or two. Important features: excellent at blending dry spaces, makes perfect smooth smoothies, takes less space to store, has different size of cups and lids for versatile use, includes multiple covers including a flip-top lid for the cups. Number 4. Hamilton Beach Wave Station Express Dispensing Smoothie Blender. Here is a blender with some exciting features and facility. The Hamilton Beach Wave Station Express Dispensing Smoothie Blender is ideal for daily blending, grinding and grating. You can make hummus, tomato puree, cocktail, smoothies in it. For easy pouring, it has a dispensing spot on the pitcher. It's a cool feature for quick dispensing. The blender also has a speed wheel to run it in different speed settings. They mark at ease as a drink, grind or blend section, so one can use it as preset blending program. The other features of the blender are pretty basic. It has a 48 oz container with a cover and stainless steel blade. The blade makes wave action to blend all the ingredients. All the container and cover are dishwasher safe. Important features: the large size of the container for making large batches, has dispensing spot for easy pouring, dishwasher safe jar and lid, preset button for different types of blending, stainless steel long sharp blades.